So before I get into today's video, I want to let everybody know that I am not a financial advisor. I make these videos off of my own opinion, analysis, whether it's related to stocks or trading. For today's video, let's hop right into it. We are going to be talking about Robinhood. So not too long ago, I'm gonna say about 3 weeks, I really started getting into more investments, whether it's related to stocks or trading. As you guys know, I already do FOREX, which is more based off day trading, more short term or long term. You can make money within a week, month, it's up to you, but you have to put in the work. You have to know what market structure is, price action, you need to know your confluences, candlestick patterns, all that good stuff. Rather than with stocks, it's more of, let me do my research on this company. Is it going to do good long term or is it going to do good short term? Should I put money in or should I just keep my money? So stocks is more about what company you believe is going to do good long term, rather than Forex. It's just more cryptocurrencies, currency pairs, and let me see how this is going to do for a day or a week. Robinhood has been around since 2015, but it's gained its popularity over the time due to how simple the app looks and how easy it is to use for new beginners. So if you guys are thinking about doing something long term, you guys want to have more investments for something long term for retirement, 5 years deep, look into something like Robinhood. There are multiple apps. There's Webull, Stash. I know there's Public, which is pretty new, but I'll leave all the links down below in case you guys want to hop right into it and we can both get a free stock. So that's what I also like about Robinhood. They have a way for new investors to kind of win. You know, they make it easy for new beginners to get into the stock market. And one thing that they have, this system, is free stocks. So to get free stocks, all you need to do is click on a referral link from a friend, a family member, or like a YouTube video like this one. So what I'm going to do for you guys is leave the link in the description below. That way, if you want to get started with Robinhood today, you can click on it and claim your free stock. I got lucky. I got a J&J stock, which is Johnson & Johnson's, and that stock is at a 160 price. So I can either hold that stock right now, let it grow over the years, which I probably am going to do, because as you guys can see, I have my computer up. I looked at the company, see how it was doing long term, and it's growing. So I'm going to hold this stock and see where it's going to take me, rather than just take the money out. So with Robinhood, guys, please be smart about your investments, because you can hold it, and little do you know, that company can go crazy in the next couple of years. Don't just take your money out and then spend it on clothes. The best way to go about your money is to invest in a company that you think is going to do good. Like I said, Tesla, back then, the share price was probably at $50, right? A lot of people probably bought over like 10 shares, okay, 100 shares, because it was at a low price. Like they say, buy low, sell high. So they bought that stock at a low price, it grew over time, and now they can do whatever they want with that money, or they can invest it back into the stock market. So when I say sell high, basically terminology with Robinhood rather than with Forex, when you sell, that means you're taking your money. So with J&J, I could either sell that stock right now, get that $160 price, or I can just let it sit for it to grow over time. Rather than with Forex, you can actually sell a currency price and actually make money from it as well. We can buy and sell. But I do believe you can also trade options with Robinhood, which is pretty much the same thing. You put in call prices, which is a buy, and puts, but I'm not going to get into that today. Today is kind of just a general introduction. With that being said, do not just take your money out in Robinhood. Put your money in and do not take it out. Use it like a savings account. We have millionaires that are already into this. You know what I'm saying? They've been doing this. We're all new to the game. They buy all their shares at a low price and they just hold it. A lot of people my age, when they see money, they take it out right away and then they spend it. But really, that's not going to do anything for you long term. You want to put money in and let it grow. So now I'm going to put my screen recording up so you guys can see how to use Robinhood. And if you guys have any questions, please be sure to comment down below, or just hit my DM at Trading with Lonnie. So let's get into it. So the best way to get started with Robinhood today is to click on that link in the description where it says Robinhood, claim your free stock. You guys are going to want to click on that. It will direct you to the App Store. And once you have downloaded the app, it will ask you to set up your personal information. Okay, so once you are done setting up your personal information, we can move on to claim your free stock. I'm not sure if it's 3 or 6 cards, but you will have an option. They're mystery cards to choose from a free stock. So Robinhood provides you with mystery cards. I think they're like floating, but you guys get to choose a mystery card, and that card is your free stock. Like I said, I got J&J, Johnson & Johnson's, and that was a 160 stock. So that stock was at 160, so I kind of got lucky. Once you guys get your free stock, let me know what it is. Actually, I'm actually curious. Once you guys get your free stock from my link, I want to know what you guys got. But once you're done with that, once you have your stock, it will show up on your portfolio, and boom, you have just started investing. Congratulations, you have a stock. You also have your search engine. So your search engine, that's how you look up any stock you want to purchase, you want to look into. GameStop, Tesla, Amazon, all of those stocks will appear on the search engine. You guys can also have categories to look from, like the top 100 stocks and all that good stuff. And that's another reason why Robinhood is so popular, because it's so easy to use and it looks clean. That's basically it. So there will be another section for messages. There's basically like updates on the stock that you were investing in. Robinhood, it sends out certain news updates from that stock, from that company, so you guys are good to go. But on the side, I would also do your research, look up a news on the company like I have on my computer, just to see long-term how this stock, how this company is going to do. So if it's something that I want to invest in, I want to make sure it's been doing good over the years. And that's basically it. And then you have your personal icon, and that's where you can send your referral link as well. So what you guys want to maximize on your free stocks from Robinhood, you're going to want to send that link to a friend or family member. So the reason why I like these mystery options, because you guys could get a stock such as Amazon. Amazon is at 3K. So shit, you know what I'm saying? If you just want to take that money right away, you can, and do whatever you want with it. This is definitely a great way to help new beginners get into the stock market. You know, they get a free stock and they see how beneficial it is. They actually see the money live. They can actually see it for real in their portfolio. So like I said, guys, I was able to make 150 in a week off of a free stock, and my portfolio is still growing. From that, I was like, okay, this is legit. Kind of motivated me, so I started buying more stocks that I believe in that are doing good today. Yeah, guys, that's basically it. This is the beginner's guide onto how to get started with Robinhood. I will definitely have more videos explaining what stocks are, how to understand the stock market in general, so you guys can be investors. The goal is to invest long-term, not short-term, okay? We're all gonna be financially free, and we're all going to dominate the market. Like I said, these millionaires have been, they've been on to the game. They've been doing this for years. Us young people, we're new to it. I'm not an expert. My parents are not an expert. I know more about stocks than my mom. I'm just a young black man that likes to study, okay? And if I can do it, honestly, you can do it too. So really, let's dominate this year, y'all. 2020 has been a pretty bad year. 2021, we're just getting started. And yeah, thank you for watching this whole video. If you guys are new to the channel, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and put on the bell, because I'll be dropping bangers like this almost every week. And that's about it. Catch you guys in the next video.